नमस्ते, गुड इवनिंग, सत श्री अकाल। आज मैं फिर से आ गया हूँ एक नई जगह में। लोग सोचते हैं कि बैंगलोर बहुत महंगी जगह है, बट ऐसा नहीं है। अगर आप जानते हो कि आपको कहाँ खाना है, और लोग तो जानते हैं कि मैं कितना प्यार करता हूँ खाने से, मेरा तो प्रोफेशन ही यही है। तो जैसा कि मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ, अच्छा खाना ज़रूरी नहीं कि बड़े बड़े फैंसी रेस्टोरेंट में मिले, अच्छा खाना सड़क पे भी मिल सकता है। तो आज हम लोग देखते हैं कि क्या है हमारे पास। और जैसा कि आप लोग देख सकते हो, सब कुछ इडली, राइस, अपम, सब कुछ सिर्फ 20 रुपये में। बैंगलोर जैसी जगह में सब कुछ 20 रुपये में मिलना इतना आसान नहीं है। तो देख रहे हो, शाम का टाइम है, सड़क बिज़ी है, और इसका लोकेशन है कमनाहल्ली, बैंगलोर। आप लोग ये रोड में आओगे, ये चर्च आपको दिखेगा, ये चर्च के सामने ये दुकान है। तो चलो कुछ ऑर्डर करते हैं, और हम लोग ओनर से भी बात करेंगे कि उन्होंने ये चीज़ क्यों स्टार्ट की। चलो। प्लीज़ वन पोर्शन ऑफ ईच। इडली, अपम, पुदीना राइस। The most great thing of this place is that they will give you 4 pieces of idli in 20 rupees plus 5 types of chutney, which is most fascinating thing for me। 20 रुपये में इतना सब कुछ मिलना आज के टाइम पे, देते तो बहुत लोग हैं, लेकिन द मोस्ट इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग इज़ कि चटनी 5 टाइप। तो सी we will now try one by one idli. When I was in Hyderabad, I was studying. This was our regular breakfast for almost 3 years. So let's try this. East or west, idli is the best. I can eat this 365 days, and I will come back. Now we will try this vada. I left eating oily food long time back because I am trying to reduce some more weight, but today I have to do for this video. Now I am not good in using my hand, but I want to enjoy this, so I will try this with my hand. Amazing. Thank you. आएंगे अब इसको ख़त्म करना है हमको। Now this appam. See how fluffy it is. So now first job, then I used to make, that time I used to make appam in every day, you know, buffet every day. We used to make it for guests in live counter. So from that time I am in love with this dish. Even when I was in Qatar also, I used to go in South Indian restaurants and used to eat this a lot. So I love this. That these appams are oil free and they are giving this in banana leaves, which have good health benefits. As we all know, banana leaf have antioxidants. Banana leaves also have the tendency to fight Parkinson's disease. And see how hygienic it is. Clean, hygienic. So when I am eating, I got to know one interesting fact about the owner of this place, Mr. Arun. He is the CEO and the business owner of one interior designing company, and the name of that company is Cameo Homes, which is there in Korumavu, Bangalore, in Hennur. So the undying love for food brings him here, brought him up between us in the streets. So let's see what he have to say in a while. So now the food has been finished. Sab khali, khatam, khalas. So now, you know, this is my 5th time I am coming in last 2 weeks. I think 5th, right?
Yes.
So 5th time. So I like this place so much that, you know, whenever I walk down these streets, I always stop here. This, in spite of having, you know, lot of food, still I come here and stop. So let's talk with the owner. So now we will talk with Arun, the man himself who is making such a delicious food.
Hi.
So, hello Arun, can you tell me something about your shop from your
Yeah,
side?
sure. I can tell you that the main thing is our main focus. We all want to have a delicious food and a tasty food. We need to like serve like that. What I like to have, I need to like serve. So that is the only thing I started this business. Even this not, I can't tell this is a business. This is my like only for my happiness I'm doing this. The great thing is because I can make money in some other business, what I can do it and what I'm doing it. Main thing is even if people having a 20 rupees, they want to have a good food, they have to come to our shop and they can have it.
And what is your inspiration to start? How this idea came up in your mind?
The main thing is when I went to the government hotel, which is in like 10 rupees, they sell it in 10 rupees. But I went the taste. If they have one more 10, they should have a tasty food. The main thing is Mr. Roland. He is my role model. He is the main thing to start this hotel because he inspired me to start it. You can do it, and he appreciated me. That's okay. You can start this. The main thing is 5 variety. Why I chosen the 5 variety? Because no one else they only think about the money. The food is like only money they think, but I don't think about the money. I need to give the proper taste to the people. That's the only main thing that I'm doing it here.
So, in how many days how many days in a week you open this shop?
We open at like Monday to Saturday. Every day it's like available. Timing will be 6 to 9:30 to 10. Max to max 10 o'clock. We'll be closing it.
And Sunday off?
Yeah, Sunday we'll take off.
Okay. So if there is any other thing you are planning for future
Yes.
to expand this or something?
Yes, I'm planning to expand in the future, but I'm planning to do it in like many areas and places. Right now I'm doing it in only one place, but in the future I can expand this so that I can serve to the people more.
So you can spread the happiness more.
Yes.
So thank you so much for this amazing food, and we will come up very soon again within few days.
Sure.
But until then, keep making good food,
Sure.
keep making people happy, and thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
So this was Arun, whose main focus is to serve happiness, not to make money. So whenever you are visiting to Kamanahalli, Bangalore, please do visit his shop, and I will see you guys in the next video, same like this in some other place. Until then, please take care of yourself. Ciao.